When it comes to rail infrastructure and services, there have only been few evolutionary steps in the industry in the last 100 years. We at Vossloh think that time has come to shift from a reactive and time-based maintenance to predictive and condition-based maintenance. Imagine a world where we unlock the true potential of our railways, where efficiency and reliability merge seamlessly. Gone are the days of uncertainty, of blindly maintaining vast stretches of rail. Say goodbye to costly shutdowns and unnecessary services. Imagine a platform that covers all relevant applications that use the power of real-time data and advanced analytics, guiding us towards targeted maintenance, ensuring that every service is delivered where it's truly needed, saving time and money. And of course, our platform creates a great user experience to access all solutions with embedded identity-powered security. To ensure safe operations, data is encrypted and decrypted only in the cloud or directly to your servers, while being safeguarded all the time, granting you a full overview of all your infrastructure assets. Because in the end, the goal of the solutions on Vossloh Connect is to improve efficiency and safety of your operations, offering you the most comprehensive rail infrastructure maintenance solution there is, with customizable solutions developed by us and our partners that also can be combined and used just as you wish to meet your specific needs. And what's more, they are already available. Want to take a glimpse? Switch to highest track availability and efficiency and book a demo on vossloh-connect.com.